guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. Guys, I want to thank all my subscribers, my old and my new subscribers. I thank you all for always being there for me. My God will continue to bless you guys. Guys, today I want to take you guys along with me and show you how I make this lovely turkey pepper soup. Very sweet and simple. It tastes nice. So guys, let's go down to the kitchen and I'll show you all the ingredients I use to achieve this lovely pepper soup. So guys, these are all the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare the pepper soup. It's very simple pepper soup, so I didn't bother to start blending anything. So this is my Maggi, my hunger seasoning. This is my aromat for taste, and this is otazi and the scent leaf, which is in nchuanwu. So I'm using the both. So this is all the spices I'm going to use. I have ehuru, uziza seed, and that's oda, dry pepper, olema, and banga stick, which is obodombele, and that's my turkey over there. So this is all the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare the turkey pepper soup. So guys, let's dive into the cooking. So guys, the pot is on the fire now. I'm going to add the turkey first. After adding the turkey, I'm going to add all the spices that I'm going to use, which is oda, obodombele, and the ehuru, which is banga stick. So I'm going to add them first. So I'm going to add water now. After adding the water, I'm going to add my chopped onions. After adding my chopped onions, I'm going to add the rest of spices because it's turkey. Turkey don't take time to cook. It's very soft meat, so I'm going to put everything together and start cooking them once. So I'm adding all the spices now: uziza, ehuru, dry pepper, and knorr cubes. So I've added all the spices now. So I'm going to add more water. I'm adding the hunger. So after adding the hunger, I'm going to add the remaining water I want to add on it, because you know pepper soup now water be pepper soup. To enjoy am na water. So I'm going to give it stir. After stirring it properly, I'm going to cover the pepper soup and allow it to cook. Guys, I use this pepper soup with white rice. Very sweet. So I'm covering it now to cook. So we are back. Guys, look at this pepper soup. Oh, so yummy. So I'm going to add the scent leaf and the otazi now. I'm going to turn. After that, I'm going to test it. I know if I need to add any other thing on it, because the pepper soup is ready almost. I'm testing it. I'm going to add a little bit aromat. I'm going to test it again. Lovely, superb. This is nice, guys. Oh, this pepper soup is very sweet. I can't wait. So I'm going to cover it just for 2 to 3 minutes so that everything will go in to the meat. So after 2 minutes now, the pepper soup is ready to serve. So abeg make una bring una plate o. Don't say I didn't invite you to come and eat o. So bring your plate. Let's eat the pepper soup. So it's ready to serve now. So this is all end of all the ingredients put together. You can see that it didn't take time. It's very simple pepper soup. So I'm going to serve it now. Guys, do you see this face of pepper soup? Do you see the face, how it looks like? Oh, this is nice. I can't wait. I can't wait to dive into this pepper soup with my boiled white rice. Guys, look at it. See how it looks like? Very nice. Guys, give it a try, please. After watching the video, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, okay? Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.